Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. Checking out this fantastic, we're setting up a balloon arch. I'm going to tell you all about everything that comes in the box. This is the Top Talk Balloon Arch Manual Kit, and it is incredible. So the first thing and most impressive is you have your own balloon pump here, which means that you're not going to be out of breath while you're doing this. And it's an easy activity. Okay, so just like that, boom, the balloon is full. Then on top of that, we're gonna have a nice tying device for tying your balloons off. And it's going to be relatively simple, that you no longer have to worry about tying your balloons. It's just 1, 2, 3, and your balloons are tied. So that's also nice as well, and we've got 2 balloon knotters, so you can have several people working on this at the same time. On top of that, you've got just a plethora of these rings. This is the arch here, and you're just gonna clip the balloon onto the ring. You put 3 or 4 of these balloons, depending on the size of the balloon. You can put up to 5 balloons on here. With the size balloons I'm doing, probably 3 or 4 is going to fit it. And you're just gonna slide them into the arch, one by one. And of course, you're gonna do 3 at a time or so. So just to show you, go ahead and put that in. Here's one of the balloon arches with, one of the balloon collections with 3 balloons on it. And we're just gonna stack these across the arch until you've got a bunch. This is great for, say, parties. This is great. We've got Benjamin's graduation party coming up. Now, if you're wondering, will your balloon arch kind of fly away? You're not gonna have to worry about it because it has a weighted bottom that you just fill with water, and it'll have these hooks that you can put right into the ground, and that way, if it is a windy day, you're anchored into the ground. All right, what else can I tell you about this? In total, it comes with a fiberglass pole that I'm gonna zoom out and you can see how big this is. The PVC pipe, the PVC base, the balloon clips, you're gonna get just a bunch of those. You're gonna get the ground ropes, the manual air pump, the balloon glue dot ×1. You're gonna get the plastic bags for holding it down to the ground, the balloon knotters, the ground nails, and the flower clips. So you've got so much fun stuff, you're absolutely gonna love it. Now, if you're looking for a great way to display your balloons, do it yourself with a balloon arch for any party, any occasion, graduation, Christmas, whatever it may be. Get maybe green and red balloons for Christmas, get white balloons for Easter, yellow or orange and black for Halloween, or just a variety of balloons like we did here for a party. All right, folks, so go ahead and pick yours up. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. This is a fantastic product, and I know you're gonna dig it. So if you're asking me, should I pick this up? The answer is heck yes. All right, adios, amigos.